What what is up, guy? What is up, guys? The Red Bro here, and today I got a new series. I think you guys know what it is. It is Floculus Rift. I don't have the Floculus Rift, but there's a game, a Floculus Rift in white.com. So might as well try it. So 3, 2, 1, go. Okay. Oh. Okay. That did not go. Be the Flappy Bird. Be the Flappy. Oh gosh! Come on, man. You gotta be kidding me, Flappy. Floculus. That was stupid. I tried to. I don't know. That was stupid. Bam! 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 God! What I got for? Yeah, applause for me. What? I was trying to do a trick flag. Bam! 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 By determination, I'm not gonna end this episode until I beat my 4 high score or the high score. I'm using Bandicam right now, so my maximum was only 10 minutes. So even though I reached 10 minutes, I'm still gonna have to beat my score. Oh, 4! That's so close. That's so close. But I landed in the tube. I seen Pt.1 play this, and it looks really awesome with the real Floculus Rift. It's really can look around. Oh man, that wasn't even here. Ugh. Come on. You can do this. Just know it. Yeah. Oh no! I gotta pause for a minute. Come on. I'm back. Decided to take a break. Here we go again. Serious mode on. Okay. No! I was on Talaga! I'm being serious. Okay, I'm gonna keep quiet for just 1 round. Oh man, I got past 4. 4? Bam! Oh gosh! Look, I need my tune-up game. Oh my gosh! I gotta admit it's more difficult than Flappy. No! I'm sorry. I'm sorry for that, guys. Oh, no. Technical difficulties. No, you know what? I'm sorry for this, guys. Oh, crap. I gotta pause for. Okay, guys, we are back. So technical difficulties. I solved the problem in here. Let's get back to some Floculus Rift. Oh! Almost! Whoa, I beat this one! I beat the 4. Now my goal is to beat 4. Before 8 minutes. This video is gonna be like 7 minutes or 8 minutes. Oh no! This video is gonna be like 8 or 10 minutes long. I can stop it till the end. 7, I'm gonna stop. I need this, man. I need this. Come on. I can feel it. I believe flat. Oh man. I believe I can fly. I believe I can dodge the tube. Oh my gosh, I just failed again. God dang it. Okay, repeat the song, repeat the song. I believe I can fly. I believe I can. Oh, what? Okay. No, God. I'm gonna beat it! I'm gonna beat it! Yes! Ah, yes! Hey! So, thanks for leaving a comment, like the video, tell me what game you want to see next, and also subscribe to my friends and subscribe to me. Goodbye.